The Home tab hosts your recent activity, your bookmarks, highlights, and notes. Your bookmarks show in a list, and you can double-click on a specific bookmark to open it in the reading pane. Highlight sets are organized by each specific set. The name of the highlight shows to the left of the Visible button. The Visible feature allows you to show or hide the highlight in the text. You can add a new highlight by clicking on the plus sign or edit the highlights provided by clicking on the wrench symbol. Just make sure you have the specific name of the highlight selected in order to edit it. When you add a new highlight set, enter in the name you want, and when you click in the color area, you will be able to enter in the color code or move the marker to the color you want along with changing the shade. Once your changes have been made, click on Save. You can also edit a highlight in this same way. If you have a lot of notes on one specific page and you want to edit them or add more information, then you can click on Notes on Page and only the notes that are on that page will appear. If you have all notes selected, then all the notes that you've taken down will appear in your Note tab. Every bookmark, highlight, or note can be deleted by clicking on the X to its right.